So, Tag alle, ich wollte kurz über die Zeiten sprechen, the different tenses in German. So again, a quick review. Das Präsens, or the present tense, with weak verbs, the endings are S1010. And you see that also these endings are also for the strong verbs, although strong verbs may have a vowel change. Imperfect, or the simple past, or the past tense. For strong verbs like schlafen, just changes to schlief. But there's also for weak verbs, they follow this rule. They add these endings. So du spieltest du Fußball. Okay, here's an example of that. Das Perfekt, this is the present perfect, what we call in English. It's going to be always have a helping verb, and this will be either a form of haben or sein. And it will also have a past participle at the end of the sentence. Plusquamperfekt, or what we call in English the past perfect, will be indicated by the past tense of a helping verb, haben or sein, and also the past participle, which will normally be at the end of the sentence unless there is a word order subordinating conjunction. Futur, the future tense. In German, this will be indicated by conjugated form of werden, and then also the infinitive form of the other verb, the secondary verb, at the end of the sentence. Again, unless there's a subordinating conjunction or some switch in word order. Das Futur 2, the future perfect, will be identifiable by a conjugated form of the verb werden, and then you will have the past participle, and then you will have the auxiliary verb, either haben or sein, at the end of the sentence. Okay, so now just a few samples. If you want to take a moment to try to identify the tense in German, stop the video here. Nummer 1, fliegst du nach Deutschland? Das ist Präsens. Are you flying to Germany? Nummer 2, bist du nach Deutschland geflogen? This is a perfect. It's we would say in English, have you flown to Germany? Nummer 3, ich werde nach Deutschland fliegen. This is the Futur 1, means I will fly to Germany. Nummer 4, wird nach Deutschland geflogen haben. That's the Futur 2, or what we call the future perfect in English. He will have flown to Germany. Nummer 5, sie flog nach Amerika. So that's imperfect. It's a simple past. She flew to America. And just as a word of caution, the simple past is with certain verbs it's used commonly in German, but in conversation it's much preferred to use the present perfect tense for past events. Warst du nach Deutschland geflogen? Das Plusquamperfekt. It's almost like we would translate this in English. Had you flown to Germany? 7, ich trinke ein Glas Wasser. Präsens, I drink, or I am drinking a glass of water. Nummer 8, trank das Wasser. He drank it, that's imperfect. Nummer 9, hast du mein Wasser getrunken? This is perfect. Have you drank my water? Okay, so Nummer 10, hatte mein Wasser getrunken. Plusquamperfekt, or in English, past perfect. Nummer 11, wird das Wasser getrunken haben. Das ist Futur 2 auf Deutsch oder Future Perfect auf Englisch. Nummer 12, wir spielten Fußball im Perfekt or Simple Past. Nummer 13, spielst du Fußball? Das ist Präsens or Present. Nummer 14, hat Fußball gespielt. Perfekt. We'd say Present Perfect. Nummer 15, du hattest Fußball gespielt. Das ist Plusquamperfekt or Past Perfect. Nummer 16, ich werde Fußball gespielt haben. That's the Present Perfect Tense. And then lastly, wirst du Fußball spielen? Das Futur 1, or Future Tense. Okay, das war's. Vielen Dank.